You start everything and finish nothing, and it was never your fault. See, ADHD execs found a quiet fix, and I'm handing you all 4 prompts in this video. The most capable people you know look like they finish everything. Inside, they've got a graveyard of projects stuck at 80%, and the difference between them and you isn't discipline, it's wiring. And there's finally a tool built for that exact wiring. So let me show you the wiring. Then I'll give you 4 prompts. Steal all of them and use them for yourself. Here's the wiring. See, starting is effortless for you. You generate constantly. You have ideas and drafts and half-finished projects everywhere. Closing is the wall. Finishing means holding the whole thing in your head at once, seeing the shape and deciding. That's one move this brain will not do on command. So, the work sits at 80% forever. The people winning stop trying to close from inside their own head. They dump everything they have into Claude and let it do the part their brain can't. Here's exactly how. Prompt 1 is for when you're sitting on a pile of material and can't even see what it is. You upload all of it, the notes, the drafts, the voice memos, and you say, here is everything I have on this project. In one sentence, tell me what it actually is. Then list what's already done, what's missing, and the shortest path to the finished project. That one prompt turns a mess into a map. You go from overwhelmed to looking at a checklist of detailed, valuable insights. Prompt 2 is for when you have too many unfinished things and can't pick which one to save. You give it the pile and say, here's the material on every project I've started. Rank them by how close to done they are and how much each would move my business. Tell me which one to finish first and don't hedge. It kills the paralysis because it decides for you. And a decision made for you is one you can actually act on. Prompt 3 is for when you know what to finish, but you freeze at the size of it. So here's what to say. Break the finish into steps I can do in 25 minutes each. Give me only the next single action. When I say done, hand me the next one. Nothing else. Now you're never staring at the whole mountain. Just the next step. That's the difference. That's the difference between this and every to-do app that hands you a wall of tasks and watches you shut down. Prompt 4 is for when your head is too loud to work at all. You say, act as my executive function. I'm going to dump everything in my head. Don't respond until I stop. Then sort it into do now, do later, and drop. You offload the noise and get back a clean list. And that's the closest thing to renting the part of your brain that's always been missing. So here's why this works when nothing else did. None of it asks you to be organized first. Every system you've tried failed because it needed you to already have the exact thing this wiring won't give you. This one takes your chaos as the input. That's the whole game. So tonight, pick one thing. Pick the project that you started and never finished. Gather everything you have on it, and messy is fine, and upload it into Claude. Then run prompt 1. Read the map it gives you. That's the quiet edge. Now, you have it too. So go finish something, and thank you for watching as always. I'll see you in the next video. Pick the one over my shoulder here and go watch it right now.